For this video, I am going to teach you how to create a sprint in Jira. So the process is fairly straightforward, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply open up Jira on your device on your browser and just log in using your credentials. So first, just ensure you have access to the project for which you want to create a sprint, and only users with necessary permissions can create sprints. So now from the Jira dashboard, click onto the project you want or a project for which you want to create the sprint, and then you'll be directed to the projects board. So usually a Scrum or Kanban board. So on the left side panel right here, what you need to do is to click onto the backlog. So it should be the second option if you have that on your options. So once you click onto it, then this will display all the issues in the backlog of your project. So the backlog is where all issues like stories, tasks, bugs, and etc. are stored until they are assigned to a sprint. So now in the backlog view, look for the create sprint button right here. So it is usually near the top of the page or at the bottom of your backlog items. So click onto the create sprint again, and this will create an empty sprint container above your backlog, just like so. So now what you need to do is to add issues to the sprint. So to fill in your sprint, just drag the issues, like again, the user stories, tasks, or bugs from the backlog until the sprint where you want to put it. So for example, right here, so I'm just going to drag a single or one of these issues right here, drag it, and put it in the sprint where I want it. So I'm just going to drag this one and put it right here in under sprint 1. So, or alternatively, you can select multiple issues by checking them just like so and then drag them together into the sprint. So basically just do the same. So there you go. So now once you have added the issues, click on to the sprint name to edit it, and you can rename the sprint to something meaningful. So you can also start the or set the start date and end date. So sprints usually last between 1 to 4 weeks depending on your team's workflow. And you can also do that by clicking onto this three dots icon situated on the right side part of your screen and click edit sprint. Then you'll be able to access all of the details for your sprint. So again, you can change your sprint name on this first part right here. And then for the duration, you can set a custom one by setting the start date and the end date, but you can also go for 2 weeks, just like so. And then that will automatically fill in the start and the end date for you. Now, for the sprint goals, you can add sprint goals on the section right here. So this aligns or outlines what you aim to achieve during the sprint. So this is essential for keeping the team aligned on objectives. And once you have added your issues, configured the sprint name, the dates, and goals, click the Start Sprint button situated right here. And you'll be prompted to confirm the start and define the duration of the sprint. And once confirmed, the sprint will begin and your team can start working on issues assigned to it. So that's it. Those are all the steps that you need to do for you to be able to create a sprint here in Jira. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.